Welcome to the channel. I'm going to teach you how to play Tea for the Tillerman by Cat Stevens, which is also the soundtrack for Extras. So let's go into the intro first. So the right hand, you're going to start with your little finger on middle C, your second finger on G, and your third finger on A. And we're going to quickly play the G and the A, and then the C. And then we have... So the intro is just using these three notes in the right hand. And then it does it again. It does this again. But instead of a C, you're also going to play the G with that as well. And then it does this again. And then one more time. So that's it for the right hand. Let's try that from the beginning. So the left hand is going to be playing first of all octave Cs, if you can stretch it. If not, just play a single C. And then it's going to go G, F. So that fits together like this. And the G and the A will come in together. And then the F and the G will come in together. And then the next part, the left hand just plays a C. And then the left hand is next going to play G, C, like this. And then the left hand is going to come up and play F and C. And then C. And then F again. So let's slowly go over that intro from the beginning. And then it's into the vocals. The chords then, so it first starts on a C, and I'm going to play a C inversion, which is G, C and E. And it's played separately, so the C's come in first, followed by the chord like that. And if you can play octaves in the left hand, play octaves, but if not, just play a single note, like that. And then the next chord is a D minor chord, so you're going to play Ds in the left hand, and then I'm going to play an inversion of D in my right hand, which is A, D and F. And then it goes up to F major. So in the right hand, all you're going to do is move your middle finger to C, which is an F major inversion. So let's try that from the beginning. Then it goes back to C again for 6 beats, and then for B flat major for 2 beats, which is B flat, D and F with B flats in the left hand. And it's going up to F major again, the same way we played it before. So now let's add that little bit on. So from the beginning of the verse, back to C, 3, 4, 5, 6, then B flat, and then to F, 2, 3, 4. So the next bit then, we're going back to the C, same in the left hand for 2 beats, 1, 2, and then to G for 2 beats. All you're doing there is keeping your thumb on G and bringing those 2 notes in one to play G, B and D for another 2 beats. So there we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, and it's going back to C again, and then the left hand is going to go down to B, then A, and then you're going to bring your thumb in to A to play A minor, which is A, C and E. So let's try that again. And then you're going to play the A quickly again and then go to G. Then play G in the right hand. And then you're going to do the same thing again in the left hand, play the G quickly, and then you're going to go down to E. The right hand's going to play an E minor, so all you're going to do from G is move your little finger to E. And then the left hand is going to play a quick E again and then go down to C. So really low octaves. And then C again in the right hand. So let's try that series again. From the C, this bit. So let's try that slowly. And then after that, you're going to play the D minor chord again in the right hand with D in the left hand. So again, we've got the left hand first, then the right hand. And then it's going to move up to E in the left hand, but you're going to play a G major chord in the right hand. And together that makes an E minor 7 chord. And then you're going to come up again to F, and then play that F inversion again in the right hand. So let's try that again. So after you just played that really low C, you're going to come up again to D minor. And then E minor 7, then F major. And then we're going to go down to G major, and then G in the bass for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's into the happy days bit, where the whole choir comes in. So that section, we have that B flat major chord again for 2 beats. 1, 2, and then F major again for 2 beats. 1, 2, and then C major for 2 beats. 1, 2. So let's try that again from before the choir comes in. G, and then B flat major for 2 beats. 1, 2, F for 2 beats, and then C for 2 beats, 1, 2. So the outro then, the right hand is going C, and then it's playing these thirds. F and A, G and B, and then A and C. It's quite quick. And then we have C, B, C, B, A, G. So all together, so far we have. And then you're going to come down to a C major chord, root position, which is C, E and G. Play it twice. And then again, quickly before you go into a D major chord, which is D, F sharp and A. And then back down to C again before you go to G major root position. And that's the end. So let's try that outro again of the right hand. And then the left hand, so that C will come in by itself, and the left hand is going to follow those notes, so the bottom note that the chords are playing in the right hand. So it's going to go F, G, A, and then G octaves, and then you play those separately from top to bottom, and then C, 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 D, C, G. So you're just following the root notes of the chords. Let's try that left hand again. Now I'm gonna fit that together. So that concludes the entire song. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Please like the video if it has, and subscribe to Bitesize Piano for many more tutorials like these. Please let me know if you have any requests. I look forward to talking with you all in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!